If you could have it all, what would you do with it? This platform has that potential. There are no guarantees in what I'm about to share with you, but what I can tell you is with people like you, yes, you, the one that is listening to this Zoom right now, and the team that we already have comprised of the Team Diamond system, man, I can tell you we could change the world. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you this NovaTech overview opportunity where massive passive income made easy is what we're all about. As you can see right to the left of your screen, whether you're on a mobile or on a laptop, it says fully automated cryptocurrency and Forex trading platform. You see that family to the right? Those are the smiles that we want to see, whether it's from our children or our grandchildren. And I can tell you again, and this is not being biased, and this is not overhyping anything. We want this feeling that we see in this picture. And I'm telling you right now, since we have been a part of this platform, and for the 27 plus months that the tens of thousands of people have been on this platform, I can surely tell you that people are smiling just like you see there. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to move right on into it. I'm going to read to you this quick disclaimer, not in detail, but just to kind of give you the premises of what I'm about to show you. Because here's what we believe with the platform that we have. We just need to show you the money. All right. Once you understand the money, then you're going to say, okay, well, talk to us a little bit about the company. But showing you the money will get straight to the point. And I promise you, it's going to grab enough of your attention that you're going to literally say, okay, Dap, just hurry up with his presentation. All right. So that I can get back with the person that shared this with me so I can get invested now. But before I do that, let me go ahead and disclose for your information, the compounding calculator that I'm about to show you is not a part of NovaTech or endorsed by the company. Past performance is not indicative of future results and should not be construed in any way as a guarantee of rate of return on your investment. The website is thecalculatorsite.com. Again, this is not co-signed by NovaTech. This is a calculator that we found to be able to give us the projections, all right, of what we anticipate going forward, but what we know for sure has happened in the past for the tens of thousands that are already in the NovaTech platform. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to simply put a $1,000 balance, okay? So I'm going to assume everyone here would invest or at least upgrade over a very short period of time to at least having $1,000 in their trading account. Why? Because the company is going to take care of the rest as soon as you deposit the $1,000. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a very conservative number of 3% projected return on your money on a weekly basis. All right. And let me actually rephrase that, not on your money, but on your cryptocurrency. Very, very important that I say that. All right. And I'm going to project that you can retire off of this particular $1,000 investment if everything goes as it has in the past in the next 5 years. All right. I know that sounds pretty crazy and unfathomable for some of you, but I'm here to tell you, being in this space professionally already, what I'm about to show you people are doing on a daily and weekly basis. I'm trying to get you there monthly through this presentation. All right. So let's go ahead and change the compounding to weekly. And in case you don't understand compounding, it simply means instead of you taking your profits every single week, you're going to allow the profits to be added to your trading balance so that every week your trading balance grows and compounds. All right. So let's go ahead and hit calculate. And as I hit calculate, you're going to see exactly what those numbers look like after 5 years off of a $1,000 one-time investment into this NovaTech platform. Yes, guys, you're looking at it correctly. That does not say $2,176. It says $2,176,000. All right, $97.87. This is what your $1,000 would be projected to look like if you were able to get a 3% return. You decided not to take your earnings, but to allow it to compound over time to be specific, over the next 5 years. Yes, a 365% return, ladies and gentlemen. So let's look at the 5-year growth chart so you can see the progressive realization of what compound interest, what most people call the 8th wonder of the world, can do for you and your family. So the $1,000 after 1 year would be a $4,650 balance, which means you would have literally made a true 365% return on your money, which means the extra 1,000 is your actual principal. In year 2, your 4,650 would be 21,630, as you see right there. In year 3, ladies and gentlemen, you literally would have projected over $100,000 in your trading account. Okay, really awesome stuff, right? In year 4, 467,000, and in year 5, if you allowed your earnings to compound weekly and you never took a dime out, yes, $1,000 could potentially be $2,176,000. Now, let me break this down a little more, because I know, again, some of you are brand new to this industry, understanding that, how can someone make money like this without having to do any work? Well, here's, again, the slow compounding factor of what money does when it compounds over time. You ever heard that saying, a penny a day, right? And allow it to flip? That's exactly what's happening here. So in your first month, your $1,000 would earn you $136.65. Now, that sounds pretty reasonable, right? Of course it is. It's extremely doable. As a matter of fact, I'm in a trade right now, trading on my own on a $4,000 account, and I'm up like $1,200 for the day. And the trading day just started at 6 p.m. Sunday Eastern Standard Time. So when I tell you this is realistic, it's realistic, all right? In month 2, you would literally be at $291, all the way down to month 12, where you're earning that $3,650 or $4,650 for the year. Now, look what happens in month 24. You now have $21,000 in your account, and it's earning you $2,600 a month in cryptocurrency. Pretty awesome stuff, right? Well, let's go down to month 36. Remember, I told you this is a 5-year plan. Well, what if you said, you know what, I can't wait 5 years, but I could wait 3 years? Well, you would have about $100,000 in your account, and you would be earning, yes, ladies, you're looking at it correctly. Gentlemen, absolutely, $12,000 a month. You're literally earning a 6-figure income through cryptocurrency every single month, the $12,000, because of the $100,000 balance that you have in your account, and so on and so on. All right. I want to show you another projection. For some of you say, hey, $1,000 is great, but I can put more than that. Well, before you put one solid amount, I want to show you something when it comes to additional contributions. All right. So if you have a retirement like a 401k, a 403b, a thrift account, IRA, you know that in order for you to literally see the projections of retirement, you have to continue to contribute to your retirement. Well, what if I told you you just added an additional $500 a month to your 1,000? So some of you may say, well, I could put 5,000, I could put 10, I could put 25. Well, I'm just showing you simply, if you only did 1,000 and you added an additional 500 a month, or 6,000 a year, right? But you got to do it monthly at $500. Watch what happens to that $2 million. Yes, it literally jumps by additional $8 million return after a 5-year period. Again, nothing changes. It's still the 365% return annually. But what's happening is, because you're contributing to your crypto account every single month, what happens is the money compounds faster. Remember back when I told you it would take you 3 years to earn a 6-figure income? Well, adding $500 additional dollars will not only net you $97,000 in your account, but you would be earning $11,615 every single month. Let's go down to 36 months. Remember that $12,000 with just $1,000 in? Well, now you're talking about $55,000 coming in every single month in crypto, in Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, because the company pays in all three. And you have literally $465,000 in your account. I'm going to do one more example. All right. I'll stick with the lower number because, again, not everybody can afford $1,000, right? But let's go ahead and put 500. All right. Let's take the 500 additional out. And let's show you what that number looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, over $1 million in 5 years. Let's break that down again. In the next 36 months, that $500 would be over $50,000 in your account, and you would be earning $6,000 every single month. If that's not amazing, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what is. Yes, this is a platform that you can literally say, okay, what are my bills monthly? How much is it going to cost me monthly to drive my dream car? What is it going to cost me monthly to own that rental property? How much do I need to get an additional car for my wife or for my 18-year-old daughter who's just starting college? What about that extra daycare that needs to be, because mom is just tired of taking care of the 2-year-old and she wants some time for herself? What about being able to do for a certain organization or cause of yours? This is exactly what you're able to do. Whatever number you can fathom, you can do it in this platform, ladies and gentlemen. How awesome is this? Let me actually go down so you can see in 4 years. In 4 years, ladies and gentlemen, $28,000 a month, $233,000 in your account off of a $500 one-time investment. So my question to you is, what are you losing by joining this platform? Are you not already spending $500 per month at least, not expecting anything back in return, anything of value? Of course you are. You wouldn't be on this call if you weren't. So who we are NovaTech. That's who we are, a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC. We boast some of the industry's top leading professionals worldwide, and our products and services consist of, yes, Bitcoin ATM machines, crypto and debit card transactions, and crypto and Forex trading. Ladies and gentlemen, you are here at the right place at the right time. And I'm telling you, if you don't know it, you are the right person. Who are the CEO and CFO of NovaTech? Well, you're looking at those beautiful people right there, Cynthia and Eddie Petillon. The executive staff has over 40 years of combined experience. You can see for yourself all of the different accolades that they have. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we are talking about a real company, okay? Real results, real money, and real retirement. I can tell you in this space, it is so challenging to find real people. All right, I'll leave it right there because a lot of you that are in this space understand what I'm talking about. You have a very accessible and transparent husband and wife with children that live right here in South Florida. Their company is a US-based company, which I'll get to in a second. But before I do, what I want to do right now is I want to let you hear from the CEO herself, Ms. Cynthia Petillon, giving you her intro to our company.
Hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia Petillon. I am the CEO and one of the founders here at NovaTech. And I'd like to first say thank you for taking a moment of your time to learn more about our business plans. And a very special thank you to whoever introduced you to this opportunity, as well as to our leaders around the world who are taking time out of their day every day to share this opportunity with communities like mine and yours so that we can spread the good vision of NovaTech. Now, I'd like to ask you one simple question before we get started. Have you ever heard this before? I will never do another online business ever again. Well, if you have, you're not alone. We've heard it many times ourselves, and we understand how you feel. And perhaps maybe you were the one who said it yourself. Well, we hope we can change that. And we'd like to offer you maybe a little glimmer of hope or a better opportunity that you couldn't find before. And it's the reason why my partners and I got together back in June of 2019 to build NovaTech. We are a registered broker with MetaTrader offering a Forex and cryptocurrency trading platform. Currently, we offer a couple of different styles of accounts, including a PAM account, which is our pool asset management account. And this allows passive investors or those who don't necessarily know how to trade the ability to invest in one of our master accounts and allow NovaTech to trade on your behalf. Now, we also have our MT5 accounts, and this is for people who want to be able to trade on their own. And you can trade whether you are a skilled trader or a novice trader, or open up a demo account just to test it out first. But you can go ahead and trade on our platform with very low commissions and spreads and be able to earn income on your own without any intervention from us. And recently, we offered a very exciting program, which is to help you get paid as you trade. And this program was introduced as a pilot program for people who want to trade professionally with a reputable and reliable trading platform. And it offers you a 30-day testing period with NovaTech, where you can actually test your own trading skills and possibly get paid to trade. Finally, we have something that we can call our own, something that we're extremely proud of. We've built a program and a strong foundation that is not only sustainable, but profitable. So guys, this ends my time here with you. I hope to be able to see more of you. And if you have any questions, please reach out at any time. We have our help desk support available at contact@novatechfx.io, and hope to see you soon.
All right, guys. So NovaTech, as you already heard, established in June of 2019. NovaTech is a legally registered cryptocurrency hedge fund company in the US of A, ladies and gentlemen. All right. The NovaTech goal is to provide customers with affordable financial solutions, trade cryptocurrencies and Forex online, utilizing the most sophisticated and latest technologies available. Now, here is one of the biggest reasons that I took on NovaTech. When I realized that they're actually a registered MetaTrader 5 broker, all right, it means that they're operating their own trading platform, which means I personally can come in as a retail trader, open my own account like I already have with like 8 or 9 different accounts, most of them out of the country, like 99.9% in the 50 million traders that are out there, profitable and non-profitable. But when I realized that this company actually has their own platform, I said they have to have their T's crossed, their I's and their J's dotted. And absolutely they do. You cannot operate in the US with all of the eyes that are on you, all right, allowing people to trade and convert their fiat currency to crypto if they were not registered and understood by the Department of Treasury, FinCEN, and all of the other regulatory bodies that are going to look at them. So that is a huge, huge component. I can tell you right now, not to compare us with anybody else, but in the industry right now, there are no other platforms that are registered like NovaTech doing what NovaTech does. NovaTech's trading platform. Here's why you're here. We have something called PAM accounts, PAMM, and it stands for Percentage Allocation Management Module. And as you can see right there, it's a form of pooled funds inside of a cryptocurrency or Forex trading account, all right? Inside of a managed trading account traded for you by qualified and successful traders. Now, you can invest without the need for knowledge or experience of trading. And at the end of a specific trading period, the profit made inside of the PAM account, right? The pooled account is then equally distributed amongst all investors. So no matter what you come in at, whether you come in at $5 million or $500, you are not going to earn a higher percentage than another. Why? Because that would be illegal. Everybody earns the same because we are all a part of the same pooled managed account. The difference is if you got more skin in the game, then your percentage will be obviously higher based off of what you're getting back, but everybody receives the actual same. All right. NovaTech Live Marketing Trading. This just highlights again what is special about their trading platform. Again, for those of you that are traders, this should intrigue you. This should interest you and say, hey, I might need to open a demo account and see what these spreads look like, right? So again, just another highlight of why people that are investors will come into platforms like this. If you're not, even better. You don't need to know anything about this stuff because again, you're here to allow the company to manage your crypto account. Now, here's what's most important. All right. So I got to say this, and the reason being is I've been online doing platforms like this, high yield interest programs, so many fly by night companies, and only a handful of solid companies. And this one here by far being one that's registered here, nothing like it. All right. Here's what I know. I have done my research. I've gone online, and of the 40,000 plus investors in this company, not one person on YouTube, Facebook, blogs, nobody can say they have not earned on a weekly basis from this platform. No one can say that if they didn't want to be in it no more, that they never got their money back. I could care less what anybody else says about anything else. If everybody for the last 2 years has been earning, then guess what? That's all the research I need. And January 21st to June 21st, the first 6 months of this year, the company averaged a rate of return on investment of 15.7% every single month. Now, if that's not real money, real results, real company, and real retirement, then what do you call it, ladies and gentlemen? Well, do you want to see some proof of some even more current results? Well, let's show you. Just this past Friday, some of you here right now that have experienced this platform for the first time for your first couple of days or weeks, you experienced that 3.21% on your 500,000, 20, 50,000, however many thousands that you had in there, you experienced that. Now that right there is all you needed to now go out there and share it with your family and the people that you love most. The week before that, 3.5. The week before that, 3.8. The week before that, 3.2. If we actually went back the last 20 to 25 weeks, we've been averaging somewhere around 3.4% return every single week. Again, none of these numbers are guaranteed. We're only sharing with you what the past results have been and what the future results could be projected to be, right? So this is some awesome stuff, guys. Now, let me break down a little more what makes us different than all the other companies out there. And I'm sure some of you out there may be a part of similar type platforms. Well, here's the difference, and I know it for sure. One, no expiration dates. All right. No contracts. All right. Trade as long as you want. First off, none of the other platforms you could trade on. So that's right there separates itself from everything else, right? No repurchase requirements. All right. There are no restrictions and requirements to tell you what you have to do with your money. Absolutely not. You can cancel at any time. All right. 100% access to your capital, withdraw from your trading balance at any time. What does that mean? Whatever profits that come in on a weekly basis, yours. The company takes none of it, no pieces. 100% goes to you. Now, if you wanted to take all of your money out, here's the one caveat. How many times have you gone into your retirement when you started it in the first 90 days and said, all right, I don't want to do it no more? Never, right? No one goes into their IRA after 90 days and just takes it out. Well, if you decide to do that here, the company says, well, we can't stop you from doing it, but we are going to charge you a 15% processing fee. Why? Because you literally are making us pull your money from a pooled account where all of our money is being managed to now take it out in a very short period of time. Now, if you wait after 90 days, guess what? No fee. But here's the thing. No one's pulling their money if they're earning on a weekly basis, right? 0 fees for weekly earnings. Yes, you're seeing it right. You can withdraw up to $5,000 a day. Actually, you can withdraw up to whatever you want. However, they will not bug you at $5,000 a day. After $5,000, they are going to make you do some KYC stuff where you're going to have to show your ID and a selfie and take a picture with the letter that has the date on it, because they want to make sure, like, hey, why are you taking out more than $5,000 a day when you could take out $5,000 a day, right? They just want to make sure it's you. Okay. No earning caps. That's another biggie that separates from all the other companies. Why? Because again, you can decide to put into your trading account however much you want. All right. Everyone comes wherever they are in life. 100% of your investment is traded. Passive income, as we said, averaging 3% weekly. The company, come on, how much more amazing can it be? American CEOs, not that we don't love CEOs from other countries, but what we do know is there are heavy regulations in the United States. And again, the majority of US citizens are not looking to ruin their lives and their families' lives and their financial futures by going to jail because they want to be scammers or greedy. Okay. Crypto hedge fund, this is. MLM, it is not. We are not regulated by any MLM body because we're not a multi-level marketing company. So please don't compare us to that. We are a crypto hedge fund. We are an investment company. All right. No VPN required. For those of you that don't know what a VPN is, it stands for virtual private network. VPNs are designed for you to mask your IP address. More popular when you're dealing with companies that are not in the United States and they're not regulated to operate here. So you have to use a VPN in order to get into their sites. Obviously, you don't have to do that here. No recruiting required. I'm going to say that 3 more times. No recruiting required. I'm going to say that again. No recruiting required. I said 3, so I got 1 more time. No recruiting required. This is not predicated on you sharing it with a soul. So when you're comparing it to other companies, all the massive money they talk about is from a combination of what they quote unquote are doing with the money and having to share it, even though they say you don't have to. You don't believe it? Ask all of the top earners where their money is coming from. It's coming from sharing it. All right, let's keep it moving. You can tell I know a little bit about a little bit, right? Let's look at some packages, guys. Right here, you got the builder, the bronze, the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Again, I'm only sharing with you what I know because I wouldn't tell my mom to do any different, so I'm not telling you. I say, as my opinion, you want to come in with at least $500. Why? You want to see some earnings, right? So, and then we also have, as you can see there in the middle, a monthly fee of $25. Woo! Some people are going to hang up like, fees? Oh, I don't want to pay no fees. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. All right. People like us are making tens of thousands of dollars per month, and we're paying $25 a month. That's all that they charge. All right. And once you realize what they do with that 25, you'll realize that they don't charge anything. So it's very, very strategic, guys. All right. So pick one of those packages. Wherever you fit in is where you should be. As you see at the bottom, service, unfortunately, is not available in Texas, South Carolina, Montana, Hawaii, or Alaska. You can fund your account with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. So those are the 4 cryptocurrencies that you can use. You notice I didn't say the dollar. I didn't say the euro or the pound or the Aussie or the great, I didn't say any of those. I didn't say the yen, only cryptocurrency. In the US, we are a cryptocurrency hedge fund. It's the only thing that we're allowed to do and registered to do. All right. The SEC has no jurisdiction over cryptocurrency. We are an exempt platform from the SEC because we are only registered for cryptocurrency. All right. If we were doing other things, then that would be different. Now, if you want to, guess what, waive the $25 fee like I did, then you would start at the $25,000 level. And yes, that would make you a VIP. All right. Monthly balance includes all benefits below. Guess what? For being a VIP, they're actually going to give you 1% monthly cash back on your earnings. So whatever you earn for the month, you're going to get 1% cash back. Free money, guys. And guess what? You can compound that as well, right? And of course, the biggest part of it all, I know some of you may laugh, but I don't like paying monthly fees. So if I got to put $25,000 in, I'm putting $25,000. All right. Thank God that I can actually be in that space. And I hope and pray that each and every one of you, if you're not there, you'll be there very, very soon. All right. $100,000 plus is for the President's Club. Yeah, we got some ballers in the house. All right. And if you can, then you can be a part of the President's Club. You are going to have some other benefits that are a little more attractive, like a 2.5% monthly cashback reward. That's pretty cool. I think that adds up to be a little over $500 a month of free money coming in. I mean, you saw what 500 does in 5 years, right? All right, so go figure. $1,000 cash bonus. All right, and then obviously the most important part, they don't have to pay the $25 fee. All right, so let's keep it moving. Dedicated support, NovaTechFX.com. That speaks for itself, ladies and gentlemen. They are absolutely phenomenal in getting back with you within 24 hours. The icing on the cake, all right? Taking your income to the next level. So, of course, there is no requirement to recruit. All of those potential earnings that we showed you had nothing to do with recruiting. But here's what I know. You see with the 167 people that are here at this time of the evening on a Sunday, probably most of you on the East Coast, you know what that means? You said you weren't going to share anything with anybody, but you were like, yeah, but I got to tell my mom, I got to tell my husband, I got to tell my 18-year-old son, I got to tell my coworkers. Why? Because when you eat something great at a restaurant, you don't keep it to yourself. You share it with your world. And that's exactly what happens here. So we don't have to encourage you or entice you by saying, hey, this is what you could earn from the compensation side. Because one, we really, to tell you the truth, don't care, because we can be self-sustained through our own investment. But showing you, okay, all right, it's the ice, it's the cream cheese filling, all right, on the cake. 1, direct referral bonuses. 2, indirect referral bonuses. 3, fast start bonuses. 4, check matching weekly bonuses through 9 levels. 5, residual bonus through 9 levels. Rank achievement bonuses up to 100K. And 7, rank-based profit sharing. Ooh, that's a big one right there, guys. So let's break it down a little more for you. So the fast track bonus is real simple. All right. If you enroll 3 bronze members in the first 45 days, they're going to shoot you a quick $100. Now, remember, this platform, they don't charge you anything major for monthly fees. So don't expect to get paid thousands of dollars when people come into this. This is not your traditional MLM. We're not selling products or services. This is a pure profit-based company. All right. And if you get 3 silver members in the first 45 days, they'll shoot you a quick $500. These are one-time earnings, guys. All right. So it's nothing big, but hey, it's money, all right? And you take free money anytime. Check matching. This right here, I ain't gonna spend too much time on, but I'm gonna tell you right now, if they got rid of everything else in the compensation plan and they only kept this, it's worth it all. It's just like you see, guys. You're going to earn a percentage off your direct downlines trading profits every single week. So let me give you an example. If I brought you in, and if I brought all 167 of you now in, 5 extra people came on. Why y'all late? 5% of whatever you earned in profit for the week, I'm going to get a piece of it. Now, it's not a piece of your pie. They're giving me another piece of their pie, the company, and the earnings. How awesome is that? You want me to take it a step further? Everybody that you bring in, that's the second level, I get 2%. Everybody they bring in, that's the third level, 3%. And the fourth level, 1%, 1%, 1%, all the way to the 5th level. All the way going from the 6th to the 9th, 0.5% to 1/4%. Think about this, ladies and gentlemen. You could literally fill your entire matrix with like 80,000 people and receive every time they get profits on a weekly basis. That's game over, guys. Residual lifetime bonus. Remember, I was talking to you about that monthly $25 fee? Come on, man. The $25 fee is a part of the residual bonus. So it's not even going to the company. It's going to its members for sharing the opportunity. And everybody that's under the VIP package, under $25,000, you're paying $25. They're going to pay you literally 9 levels. Do I need to say anything else? No, I don't. Let's keep it moving. Leadership bonuses. Come on now. I mean, I know it's only 100,000, and some of you here have received 100,000 in benefits and extra bonuses from your job, right? Not $100,000 they're willing to pay you for hitting all of the leadership rank bonuses. Let me ask you, how many of you have ever hit true leadership rank bonuses in companies before? It's not easy, is it? Well, how easy could it be when you're sharing something where people just come in, they invest some crypto and allow the company to do the work? Boy, I could tell you, we're going to have a lot of first-time leaders simply because NovaTech is the real deal, ladies and gentlemen. Here is what the cash bonuses look like for the rank achievement. All right. Accumulate $25,000 in volume, you get $100 bonus one time. 50,000, $500. 250,000, executive. Senior executive, 1 million. Shout out to our co-founder of Team Diamond, Miss Marsha Hadley, who literally just this past Friday hit the senior executive rank. Wow. How freaking awesome is that? $2,500 she's already received, the 1,000 she's received, 500 she's received, and 100 she's received. And guess what? I'm probably about 2 weeks from being there myself. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we definitely have our other co-founder, Miss Corey J, who I'm assuming is probably right on the heels of becoming senior executive. And let me also say this, guys. Guess what happens at senior executive? Well, you know what? I'll hold that for the next slide. All right. Director, 10,000, senior director, 25,000, all the way to ambassador, $100,000. All right. So when I tell you guys, this is not why you're coming in here, it's pretty awesome to be incentivized to share something that people are going to earn anyway. Right now, higher ranks will benefit from, this is what I was talking about, from sharing up to 10% of the company's quarterly net profits. Whew! Imagine getting a piece of Amazon or Tesla or Apple. How awesome would that be? Microsoft, right? Pretty awesome stuff. Well, the company says once you hit the first major rank of senior executive, you now qualify 4 quarters out the year for a 2% profit share. So literally the company is going to take all the senior executives and 2% of the quarterly profits and they'll split it. I don't know about y'all, but a hedge fund, if this is going to be as successful as it has been in the last 2.5 years, we're talking about billions of dollars here, ladies and gentlemen, that hedge funds are actually able to profit. All right, just imagine what that can be. All right, I'm not here to put any guarantees on anything because no one can do that in this space. But I'm here to tell you that the possibilities are endless. Directors pool 3%. So guess what? When you get to the directors pool, you don't lose the 2%. Now you're getting 5% total. And then when you hit ambassador, you're literally earning 10% every quarter, split between all of them. Watch this. The company only has one ambassador, 40-something thousand plus people, only one ambassador so far. He's getting the whole share of that 5% for himself. Man, must feel good, right? Well, guess what? He got some dogs coming right behind him. So, and I know y'all know who we talking about on this call. So, earning disclaimer, guys, that's our presentation. But before I end it and before we get to some other questions and answers and all that other good stuff, guys, let me go ahead and let you know very quickly, as I did a little while we did the income calculator. The use of our information, products, and services should be based on your due diligence. And you agree that neither the company nor the presenters are liable for your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, and services reviewed or advertised. All information contained here should be independently verified and confirmed and should not be constructed as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, nor do we accept any liability for any loss or damage of the risk involved with any trading done in any financial markets. Do not trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. Trading cryptocurrencies, also called AKA digital or virtual currencies, crypto assets, altcoins, etc., as well as Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All right. All you also must be 18 years of age or older. So again, guys, NovaTech, I present to you real money, real results, real company, real retirement. Your future freedom and dreams start now.